Okay guys, this is going to be the video for drawing pie graphs. Drawing pie graphs. Okay, fill in the pie charts to represent how the energy changes in each situation. A car is traveling at constant speed. The driver hits the brakes and comes to a complete stop. So I'm just going to do this first one. You guys can do the next two on your own. Alright, so if we think about the car at the beginning, constant speed. So if it's moving, that's a pretty big, sorry about that weird line, okay? That, oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. If it's moving, it's a pretty good indication to me that it's going to be EK. And if it comes to a complete stop, that means that my EK is going to be gone. It's going to change into something else. So when you hit the brakes, remember what happens with the brakes? Well, they heat up, which means that friction is changing EK into thermal energy, or ET. So here's how I'm going to do that. I'll go ahead and at the very beginning, let's just do this. Let's say that we'll use a highlighter. So we'll say that at the very beginning, it's all yellow. Yellow? Yeah, okay. And we'll say that yellow is EK. And then at the very end, it's going to be all pink. Okay, because at the beginning, it's moving at a constant speed. At the end, it's slowed down. Okay, so pink is going to be ET for thermal. And so here's what we want to see is that at some point, okay, some of the energy starts to change from interesting. Can I make it all the same color? Close. Okay, so some of my energy changes from EK and into ET. And then as I go along, I've got even more ET and even less EK until eventually it is all ET, okay? So if we see what's happening there, okay? This one here, all EK. This one, some of it starts to change into thermal. This one, most of it is now thermal with just a little bit of EK left. And then at the end, it's all thermal because the car is completely stopped. Okay, go on and try the next two. If you're having trouble, check with me.